It's Canada. It gets damn cold in the winter here. But today is up near zero, so we're gonna get the pellet stove cleaned out because it keeps batteries from dying, paint from going bad, and all that other good stuff. So I've done a little bit of work on this. I replaced a motor for one of the augers. Unfortunately, this thing was not the highest quality, but I guess nothing these days is. Let's get into it. We'll tear it all apart. I'll show you what you need to clean, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, like, subscribe. Let's dive in. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna kind of scrape stuff around here because you're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff falling out. It's a mess. Okay, so there's a few things here. One, this grate comes off, push up, pull out. Under here, you're going to find a bunch of tubes that run down to the back, and you're going to want to take, there's a long brush in here that you're going to kind of chimney sweep down these holes. So you see these holes down in here. There's 6 of them on this one, 8 of them. You're going to vacuum all this out, and then you're going to take, there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, a little piece here. You're going to turn that, and boom. That drops this whole thing down all nice and crusty and everything. Afterwards, once you get all this cleaned up, bang all this out, then you're going to take this tray out because it's going to be cold. You're going to take that out, you're going to dump it, and let me show you the sides here. We got cell tappers in here because all of these clips broke on both sides. That's what I'm saying. Everything's just made so cheap these days, but we'll make do. Let me get a 10 mil, get this off, and I'll show you the side. And there we go. Get rid of that. There we go. This is what I was talking about. So this is your little chimney sweep. You're going to shove this down in these holes. And just do that for all of them. That's pretty much it. There is a couple more spots down below. So now that those are clean, there's a compartment down the side. I'll show you that. And you're going to stick a vacuum all the way in, and you're going to vacuum everything that got pushed down through those holes. That's just underneath these covers here. Now you're going to take a Robertson or a little flathead if that's what you got. Push in on the spring, spin, that opens it up. So you're going to vacuum all through in here. There's a turbine here that shoots it out the vent. You're going to want to clean all of this and get down in here because this is all connected and you can push stuff down into this lower part. And down here, you're going to go all the way in, like halfway through the unit or more. You're going to stick a vacuum in. Just wiggle it around. You'll hear when it stops sucking stuff up, and then you're good to go. Put your covers back on. And then in the front, oh, it's hard to see, but again, you got a little piece just to spin it, and the front cover of this piece down here comes off. You're going to vacuum that out, put the cover back on, put the box back in, lift this up, spin this, close that up, put your caps back, put your vent covers back in here, and that's literally it. Very quick and simple job. It might take you about 10-15 minutes to get it all vacuumed out, but those are all the different ports that you need to access and vacuum out. And you got a clean functioning pellet stove again for the rest of the winter. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.